God, I'm so nervous right now. My heart is beating out of my chest. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Okay. People are talking about people. I just ignore it, but they keep us saying we laugh just a little too loud. We stand just a little too close. We stare just a little too long. Maybe they're seeing something we don't, darling. Let's give them something to talk about. Let's give them something to talk about. Talk about love, lovey-dovey, Scooby-Doo. I don't know. Okay, I didn't want to wake up Robert and Nancy, and I've had a sore throat for a week and a half, and this is not an acoustic environment to request this from me. But I realize I sound like the songbird of my generation. People, 500. Woo-wee! 40-year-old virgin is getting lined up. Couldn't done it without you. And ever since that I can remember, I've been popping my collar. Oh, oh,